Happy Friday, everybody. Hopefully, you had a good week and were able to get all the assignments done and turned in, right? Okay, yesterday was another self defense day, so make sure you guys get through all that content and let me know if you have any questions. For today, we have Fitness Friday. Okay, for the workout today, it's going to be a 20-minute total body HIIT workout. So, a lot of you guys said you like doing YouTube video workouts where you could follow along with somebody. So, asking you shall receive. So, here's the workout right here. This guy, he does a little bit more of an intense version of the exercise, and she does a little bit easier version. So, feel free to bounce between the two on which one you're going to do, but follow along with them for 20 minutes. It's a pretty good workout, and it should get your heart rate up. After you're done with that, you're going to do the exit ticket down here. So click on this PDF, download it in Notability, and then answer the 4 questions there. Upload it here, and you are done for the weekend. Okay, let me know if you have any questions and get everything turned in. All right, have a good weekend, you guys.